I needed a guide like a blind veteran's dog, cause I was going nowhere, like a child's letters to God. The life's road was hard, I was never so lost that I looked for an answer and I met as a box. I never did pop pills or cocktails, just rock tills. Kids with skills still got a rasp for cops still. They'd have me in the back of the paddy, down the locker, smack me, pat me down for a bag. Mom's a rocker and bail me out if I you're out once again next weekend. Bail me out drunk again, and I never will forgive myself for putting you through all that hell. I went from high school dropout to factory labourer, slave to the clock until 4. Went from sleeping on the floor to being out on tour. Now no stopping me, I finished with the bang like a Cobain's biography.
Going down.